Hello guys, it's me, Anderson Sharif from Batch KET 145. Today we are going to have a quiz on the story The Four Forest Friends. So let's get started. On my left side, there are my two friends. They are Team Blue. On my right side, there are also my another two friends. They are Team Red. So let's start the quiz. First question is from Team Blue for Kaizen. Kaizen, where did the cows live? Option number A, in a desert. Option number B, in a quiet forest near a green meadow. Option number C, in a village. Option number D, on a mountain.
The answer is the B number.
Correct. It's 5 points for Team Blue. Next question is for Mashvi from Team Red. Mashvi, how many cows were there? As option number, how many cows were there? Option number A, 3. Option number B, 5. Option number C, 4. Option number 2. Option number D, 2.
Say how many options?
There are 4 options. One is 3, another one is 5, and the C number is 4, D number 2.
The answer is the question number C.
Correct. 5 points for Team Red also. The question is for Team Blue again for Sam. Sam, what made the cows feel safe and strong? Option number A, their size. Option number B, their speed. Option number C, their friendship. Option number D, their horns.
C, there are friendship.
Correct. 5 points for Team Blue. The last question is for Team Red from Ian. Ian, what did the cows do every morning? Option number A, slept together. Option number B, grazed side by side. Option number C, ran in the forest. Option number D, fought with animals.
The answer is number B.
The answer is correct. That means you get also 5 points. So guys, that's a tie. Let's clap for them. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening to us. Bye bye.